Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our Big Shot Plus machine. Like our Big Shot machine, the Big Shot Plus machine is an essential embossing and die cutting tool that's perfect for any beginner or advanced crafter. It looks very similar to our Big Shot machine, but let me show you the big difference. You can see that the Big Shot Plus machine has a much larger workspace, up to 9 inches, which is bigger than our 6-inch Big Shot opening. So we found that people really enjoy having a larger workspace, but we also have a variety of products that are designed to specifically be at this larger scale for you guys to make with. So let's take a look at how those work. The Big Shot Plus comes with a platform and 2 adapter pads. The top one gives you instructions on how to cut out thinlits, the second one being an adapter for embossing. So let's take a look at how to cut out thinlits using your Big Shot Plus. We're going to set our embossing adapter aside and start to build our sandwich. The machine also comes with 2 large-scale cutting pads, perfect for covering your entire work surface. So you're going to start with 1 cutting pad. You're going to lay down your surface. And I'm going to use one of my large-scale thinlit dies. Look how large that is. It covers the whole span of the opening. And I'm going to finish it off with my top cutting pad. And I'm going to go ahead and roll that right through my Big Shot Plus machine. Let's take a look at what we have here. I'm just going to use my die pick to pop this design out. You can see that we cut out a large scale thinlit design with quite a bit of intricate pieces to it, all using our Big Shot Plus larger workspace. Now I can go along and finish all these off, but I do want to give you a chance to see how the machine embosses. We're going to remove our thinlit adapter to emboss. So I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to place the embossing adapter down. I'm going to start with 1 cutting pad and take a look at this embossing folder. Look how large this is. This is a full 8.5 by 11 embossing folder. I've inserted my piece of paper inside. I'm going to lay this down on top of my cutting pad. And I'm going to finish my Sizzix sandwich with 1 more cutting pad. And then we're going to roll this right through our Big Shot Plus machine. And when we open this up, we can see how beautifully that all-over pattern embossed on such a large scale. This really gives you the opportunity to make a lot larger projects. Now let's talk about the Big Shot Plus machine and Bigz dies. We have created Bigz dies that are also in this larger format to work with the large machine. When you're using a Bigz die, you're only going to be using it with the cutting pads, so you're going to set the rest of your platform aside. You're going to start with 1 cutting pad, your Bigz die. I'm going to use felt as my material for this, just to point out the variety of different materials that Bigz dies can cut out. And I'm going to finish my Sizzix sandwich, and we're going to roll that right on through the machine. So let's take a look at how clean these felt shapes cut out, and what a perfect fabric accent they would be to my pillow. So just like with the Big Shot machine, the Big Shot Plus machine is an essential tool for any beginning or advanced crafter. It works with all of our product categories, from the smallest thinlits to the largest embossing folders, the Big Shot Plus from Sizzix.